Does your skin lack radiance or have a case of glass? If the skin is looking dull, you might be wondering what's causing it and how you can create a healthy, vibrant glow. In this video, we will offer dermatologist recommended ways to say goodbye to lackluster skin for good. What is a glass skin? Glass skin is a term for exceptionally smooth, even-toned, and lustrous skin that's so flawless it has the appearance of glass. It's simply a clear and elegant way of describing a certain type of complexion. How to get a glass skin? Let's get started. Products you need are oil cleanser, exfoliator, toner, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen, and face mask. Step by step glass skin care routine. So, the step number one is double cleanse. Wash your face and don't just wipe it down. Use a gentle face wash to protect the skin as you cleanse. And if you need to remove makeup, I recommend you double cleansing with a cleansing oil first, then following up with a face wash or cleanser. For acne-prone skin, use gentle water-based cleansers that contain acne-fighting ingredients like benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid, as well as soothing ingredients like vitamin C adjuncts. Step number 2. Exfoliate. Whether using a physical exfoliator such as crushed walnut or gentle jojoba beads, or chemical type like glycolic or lactic acid, these steps will slow away dead skin cells that dull skin and clog pores. Don't overdo it though. 2 to 3 times weekly is ideal to avoid irritations, especially if you have a sensitive skin. Irritation occurs because you have removed more skin cells than your body is able to replenish. Overexfoliation damages the skin barrier. Step number 3. Toner. Toners are formulated with refreshing and moisture enhancing ingredients like green tea, lactomyces, ginseng, and flora water, and are applied not only to restore the skin's pH level but also to provide base hydration and allow better absorption for oncoming products. Toners are applied after cleansing in the morning and at night. Step number 4. Treat with serum or face oil. Serums contain a higher concentration of multitasking active ingredients. These concentrated actives help nourish the skin, reverse signs of aging, and promote collagen to help provide firmness, minimize pores, and even out skin tone. For daily use, switch to a hydrating serum with moisture boosting ingredients like hyaluronic acids and vitamin E. For structural firmness, vitamin C and retinoids will encourage collagen production most effectively. Step number 5. Moisturize. Moisturizing is a no-brainer in any skincare routine. But when you are aiming for that luminescent look, you will want to reach for one that is lightweight yet packs maximum moisture. Look for nourishing botanical extracts, powerful hydrators. Step number 6. Use SPF. Without skin that's protected from the sun rays, consider your glass skin dreams positively dashed. This is because no matter how many steps you have in your skincare regimen, put simply skin that's weathered from UV rays won't shine. Step number 7. Face mask. Masks are arguably the one the beauty world is most obsessed with. It's hardly surprising a skincare step where you have no choice but to kick back and relax for a while. Look for clay masks that clean and reduce the appearance of pores without drying or irritating skin. Sheet masks can work to hydrate and give skin an instant glow, while treatments with calming ingredients like honey provide skin with moisture and calm inflammation. Thanks for watching. If you have any video suggestions, leave a comment down below and take care.